All right, it's the start of day 4. Starting off strong, getting ready before we head out on the plane to Osaka.
Not even Japanese cartoons.
Yeah, what's the name of the show, Kevin?
PJ Pals? I don't know.
PJ Pals.
Pajama Heroes?
Yeah, created by not Japanese people for Japanese people, but apparently the plotline seems super thrilling. So
It's so basic.
it's so basic. Yeah, the agenda for today is to take the Shinkansen to Osaka, check in, maybe roam for like probably less than an hour, and then make our way down to Kyoto for the yokai festival going on there, because there's a parade happening that we want to check out. But that should basically be our whole day. It's going to be like transporting back and forth. So not a lot to do in terms of like actual activities, but I guess setting up for a bigger day in Osaka tomorrow. What, Henry?
I love convenience stores there. They're actually so good.
Okay, we've made it to Tokyo Station, allegedly the biggest station in the world. We're just at the cafe right now, and we're just about to board the Shinkansen to Osaka.
What does Shinkansen mean, Victor?
Shinkansen? High-speed rail.
Bullet train, no. Bullet train.
A plus to number 1 to downstream.
Arigato sensei.
B minus for Victor. B minus?
Yeah. Not bad.
D?
D.
D?
D's nuts.
Holy.
Grill himself.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, you're right.
It's like the sword to his neck and his mouth sliced it, and then Inosuke was like, no, this is reality, brother.
やるんだ夢の中の死が現実につながるつまり切るのは自分の首だ
Oh yeah, I forgot that Frank like necked himself.
Because he kept on like necking himself in the dream over and over.
Yeah,
Lost track of reality.
So what will be in your fantasy dream on the Mugen train?
Charlie.
Charlie! What will be on your fantasy dream?
I guess getting slapped by a muscle mommy.
Oh! What's in your fantasy dream, Daniel?
Bento boxes.
Bento box. Umai! I think I'll be dreaming of volleyball. Playing for the first time in 3 months.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, and I'm gonna be out of my mind.
Okay, we finally made it to Osaka, and we're in the first store that we stopped in is a Family Mart, because Henry really had the hankering for some chicken. I don't know, are the vibes different? I think the products are all the same.
Yeah. Nice.
He's getting sick.
You're getting sick?
No, I'm not getting sick. I just want some.
You want some vitamin C because you're sick, boy.
Yum.
Vitamin C only helps out scurvy and whatnot.
Scurvy is a sickness.
I was actually looking for this one.
I don't think
Are you gonna get the family chicky, Henry?
They have skewers here.
Skewers.
But yeah.
I don't think you should.
Okay, we made it.
He's naked!
We're in Osaka now. The room here is a lot more cramped than it was in Shinjuku. You get a full view here.
Dress me.
The full elephant in the room. It looks okay now, but once we get our luggage, then it's gonna take up a lot more space. So not a lot to see and do. That's really it. But we do get in-house laundry, so that's pretty sweet. But we're going to be going to the yokai parade tonight. And that's really it. Nothing really else on the docket. So we might just end up roaming Osaka for fun while we're here. The train ride was super sweet though. So I'll post some clips of
Why
that.
was it sweet, Victor?
What?
Why was the train ride sweet?
I got to see Mount Fuji.
Yeah? Who told you Mount Fuji was there? Who'd you sit next to? Just listen to the Demon Slayer music the whole time on the train.
We're in Kyoto now. We're very close to the yokai festival. And we're just waiting for a train. This is the first time we're taking a train that's above ground. Or getting on the train above ground, I should say. But now that we're in Kyoto, yeah, you can tell just the architecture is just a little bit different again. Little older. Every place in Japan definitely has its own like flavor to it. Right? Now that's the demon train. Is there food? Yokai food? Whoa. And are you scared? I hope so. Okay.
Reflection.
I can't see the reflection. Yeah. Holy crap. This feels like New York Times. Okay, it's day 2 in Osaka. We're on our way to the fish market. There's not a lot open at this hour. I guess there's a few restaurants here and there. But we have our aquarium booking for this afternoon, and then the Pro League volleyball game later today. Whew. So we're just getting the day started. And then after that, it's probably just gonna be go, go, go. Take the first bite, guys.
No, you bought it. You get first dibs.
That's okay.
It's not Victor. I insist.
Very fatty. Right now we find ourselves at Trattoria, which is like a fast food burger joint. Henry, what did you get?
I got the shrimp semi-glazed potato burger thing.
And Daniel, what did you get?
Myself the little classic Zeppelin burger.
Zeppelin burger.
Yeah, the OG right here apparently.
Nice. Okay, I'll get some flavored fries. So we're gonna take a bite here. How is it? It's good? Can you see the inside? Oh, okay.
Like mashed potato and shrimp.
Okay. How's yours, Daniel? This is like about what I expected.
They have like this season.
Oh yeah? You gonna get some, Daniel? Ooh.
So I've been wanting to eat since coming here to Osaka, bro. I'm so happy there's got some.
Oh, okay. Kevin's finally awake. It's too bright outside. Me, Daniel, and Henry did a lot of roaming, ate a lot of food. We went to the fish market. We had the sushi there. We had the burger at a Zetter Burger, something, Zepper Burger. And then we also stopped for a Okonomiyaki. Is that what Daniel was eating? Okonomiyaki. And we came back to the hotel. We got our luggage back, which is great. But now there's like 50% less space in the apartment for us to walk around in. But now we're going to go to the aquarium. We're actually a little behind schedule. So Kevin's just wolfing down some food. Oh, hello.
Victor, good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
We need to run. We need to get to the glorious Mount Fuji. Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
How are we gonna get there?
We need to walk.
Walk.
We have 8 legs, Victor. We can walk.
I'm getting a little hungry actually.
Hungry?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You know, there's just so much around here.
I don't think you can eat any of this, Victor. You are just octopus.
But we need to pack for Mount Fuji.
Well, maybe what if I pack you?
Ah!
I'm doing a show here.
Okay, so we're finally done at the aquarium. The group split up. I think Kevin and Daniel are eating in somewhere while Henry and I got food from the food court. Henry, what you got?
Cold udon.
How is it?
Pretty good.
Really good? Yeah. Meanwhile, I decided to get KFC and see how it is here. Apparently they have some kind of special chicken in a compare and contrast combo, so you can eat it with the original one and see how it is. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it. I really wanted to try one of the chain stores here. First Akita? 8. Oh, there's a lot. Yo, Kevin, you got it, bro. Let's go. Are there? Oh, like different colors and stuff? Oh, is it? I don't know. XLs only. That's why everyone has such big ones. Alright, we made it to the Okini Arena in Maishama. We bought some merch. Henry and I got some Suntory Sunbird long sleeves. These bad boys right here. They're gonna be matching. Yeah. And Kevin, he got his Masahiro's Kitai jersey.
We'll see me in it later.
Oh yeah. And now we're just waiting for Ian because we showed up an hour early. Looks good on you, King. Yeah? Alright, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Konnichiwa. Look how fresh my boy looks. Do you want to go into the merch store again?
Yeah.
All the jerseys of all the players.
Mr. Scandalous.
What?
Scandalous?
Mr. Scandalous?
Why do I like it, Mr. Scandalous? That's the big one.
You guys know like towels? No, long sleeves. Also, what time do you guys want to go in?
You can go in now. Yeah. Unless you want, if you want to check out merch, we can do that too. Right now, Ian's having a dilemma, trying to decide what to buy in the fan store. Hi. What does that mean?
It's difficult.
Oh.
Having a hard time deciding.
I would get Ran, Ian.
I did get a special card, some Luffy card from like entering.
Oh, cool.
Drafted first overall to the Suntory Sunbirds.
Demo small.
So, is that the extra large?
This is extra large.
Oh man.
no.
Wait, give me a little spin, Ian. What you working with? Oh, okay.
You could be playing.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah, I always lose.
You don't know, Ian?
I'll go Sakai Steel Blazers. What? 3-2.
3-2?
Yeah.
You have the shirt. You
I
have the shirt.
I'm looking at the team composition.
Alright, we're doing set predictions. I'm saying 3-1 Sunbirds. What are you saying, Henry?
3-2.
3-2 what? Sunbirds or?
3-2. Okay. What about you, Daniel? What do you think? Which team's gonna take it?
I'm gonna hope for 3-2.
3-2? My boy, my boy.
Oh my god.
That's crazy.
That guy dead? You okay? Right.
Oh, good touch. It's huge.
No way he gets an ace on this.
Okay, we wrapped up at the volleyball game. Ubered back. It's been a pretty long day. We figured out the luggage situation for tomorrow. Figured out the laundry situation for tonight.
Yes.
And now we're gonna reward ourselves with what, Daniel? Pizza. Okay. All right, we're gonna order like 4 pizzas and just chow down tonight. Ian might join. Next time you see this, we're gonna be stuffing our faces. And I'm looking for the drink that everyone's been hyping up since I've gotten here. This is the one. Strong Zero. Apparently it's like incredibly deceptive in how fast it can get you lit.
That's why it's shaped like this. That's why I
Alright, it's a nighttime vibe. We got the pizza, we got the drinks. Now we're gonna try Strong Zero for the first time. So let's have a gander here.
Make sure to shake it up.
Oh really? Is that what that? Oh, why you lied to me, bro? I'm not gullible, just, you know, I'm not inexperienced.
Because it does
Are you gonna help yourself here or what?
I try this one. Yeah, go ahead. You sure? Go ahead.
Oh yeah. Oh brother.
This one I've seen on the TikToks.
Oh wow, there's just let's show the people. There it is, good. It's just straight up lemon in the drink. Yeah. All right.
Kanpai.
Yanmai. What?
Kanpai.
That just tastes just like a drink. With a hint of alcohol. Yeah.
I think the lemon makes this worse.
Really?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, keep drinking it.
It has like the, you know, the bitter of the lemon.
I'm tasting it.
It was yours anyways, right?
No, that tastes way better.
What's the lemon? I don't like the bitter. You taste that bitter of the like,
The
lemon
bitterness
brine?
is just from the lemon in general.
Yeah, but I don't like the lemon brine bitterness.
That tastes good.
Yeah?
That tastes good. That tastes more sugary than the Suntory.
I have a little sip.
I think like the drink itself is good, but I don't know what the lemon like adds much.
You're not
I
here,
actually like that.
you're not here sitting here sucking on the lemon brine. That tastes good. That tastes good.
Maybe I just don't know.
It's like smoked meat, pork, and something like that. I forget what it was. This one is the winter 4. So there's like 4 different types of pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh wow, nice.
And this one
This one had the seaweed on it.
was,
Was that the seaweed one?
I think this was a carbonara.
Yeah, that is. Did we get carbonara?
That was carbonara.
I have the receipt.
With
Seaweed?
See what I'm talking.
What does that say?
This one has the seaweed, right? I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah.
Oh, it's all in Japanese. That's funny. It does smell fantastic though.
They do.
I really like the idea of the 4-season pizza. That's a lot of fun.
Is there anything?
Huh? Oh no, he's confirming that right now. Yeah. Okay, things have gone from bad to worse. From bad to bad. We are unable to do our laundry in the hotel because the machine is not working as we expected. So we're doing it at a laundromat. And Kevin, what time it is? What time is it?
I don't know, Victor. How about you tell me?
It's 12:10 a.m. So this is our current loads of laundry. And we have to do this ahead of tomorrow because we immediately go to the Ryokan tomorrow. And there's no laundry there, you are correct. Yeah, but the late night with Ian was fun.
That's fun.
Yeah,
I really enjoyed seeing Ian in Japan.
yeah, and we're gonna get to see him a third time too.
Yeah.
Exactly. And that was late night, and this is even later night. Put a smile on your face. Daniel?
Not being quite solid sometimes.
The Earth?
Feels a little shaky like now. I can't tell if it's like me like not having my sea legs yet, or if it's like actually the ground shaky.
Are you off balance right now?
No, like it shakes. Like not right now, but like sometimes I'm just like standing and then like, it feels like the whole ground is shaking, like an earthquake, but it's not an earthquake. Maybe it is. I don't know.
The late night vibes have gone a little bit too far. As soon as we wrap up here, we're gonna. Well, as soon as we wrap up here, we're gonna go straight to bed. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
No, I'm gonna go finish vacuum.
Yeah. I'm gonna dub like sounds of people like screaming on a roller coaster over this.
Right, weird. I swear, like you gotta go home and look at your life.
I have the funniest ideas. Yours looks like this regularly?
Not as big, but it's pretty big. But I can see it like fly.
Really?
And I watch it fly. Like get paranoid that's not working right.
Okay, it is the next day. I'm doing laundry again this morning because we have a little bit more time before we go, so I thought I'd try to get another load in. And we have to check out, and then we have to ship our luggage to Kyoto, as well as make it to the station on time to catch our shuttle to go to the Ryokan. And the Ryokan is going to be like a really nice spa, super relaxing day. Nothing's really planned other than like the dinner that the Ryokan is going to serve us, but we're going to do like an onsen. We're going to do just like a very relaxing day without any like major activities, I guess, which will be a really nice change of pace because we haven't had the chance to do that since coming here. It's been very like go, go, go. So yeah, kind of packing everything this morning before heading out. Definitely have a lot of new stuff that we have, including a seal that I bought yesterday. So that kind of took up Henry's entire check-in bag, but we may have to buy another luggage while we're here. So we finally landed in Kyoto after taking the train from Osaka. We're done with Osaka now. So now we are just waiting to get picked up to go to the ryokan from the train station. The view is super beautiful on the way here. Just like really nice valleys that we could see through the train. For breakfast we had some Korean food. And we're just at a souvenir shop now. So just getting ready to be picked up. But Kyoto is really nice so far. I'm excited to explore this in the next like 3 days. Okay, it's a pretty stark contrast from where we just were. We are now in the ryokan. It's a beautiful view. You can see how luxurious this place is. There is a shower here that you're meant to take before you get into the bath here. So that's pretty awesome. And then we have our way bigger space than what we had in Osaka, so that's a really welcome change. There are these samuis. There's Henry. And we even have a TV on the roof. That's how crazy this place is. And then the bathroom. How luxurious everything is. Really living the life. And then there's me. I'm wearing the yukata that they have. So pretty sweet setup. I think I'm gonna look into getting a massage. Henry wants to get a massage too. And then we also have the public bath later this afternoon, but we won't be filming that. So. Oh, my Suica card, you found it. Henry, you're the GOAT. You know that, Henry? You're the best. I would hit him with it, hit him with it, hit him with it. Okay! The stage just got 1,000 times better. I was scared I'd lost this for a little bit, but it was just covered up by the Uber coupon that I had. All right, we're chilling. Now this is the life. I'm in the private bath. We took a shower, and we can just kind of enjoy ourselves with some music playing. Okay, we're watching volleyball on the ceiling TV. Me and Henry are living the life. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yippee! Okay, we're in Kevin's room pre-gaming. Pre-gaming before dinner. Daniel's looking hella fine in his yukata. Kinda fresh. We look like 3 peas in a pod. And we're gonna have a 10-course meal, right, Kevin? Yeah, literally though. I've seen this on Outdoor Boys. They give you a lot of food.
The Outdoor Boys channel.
Do you know the Outdoor Boys?
The Outdoor
Shout out. Well, they don't exist anymore. Yeah, rest in peace.
Still, the kid. His kid has the channel.
I heard it wasn't good.
It's okay. It's like the same thing except for the kid. It's his dad that did it.
We'll be the new Outdoor Boys.
Oh.
The roaming boys.
Welcome to the Outdoor in Japan Boys Camping Ryokan channel.
Ryokan channel. This is roughing it, right? We're really roughing it right now. Yeah. Oh. Hot me up. Are you getting what, Daniel? How you feel? Feel like I'm in Vietnam. I know. It's a vending machine? Oh, actually, why would there be a vending machine in a place we paid for? Mix that with our...
What does it say? The product, please take. Because it's the bath, like after you're done.
Maybe we'll see Naked Henry from here. Kevin, where are we going? You can actually see Henry from here. Well, no, I don't, but you could if you open the. Yeah, because that's your room, isn't it? Yeah. There's some puddles, be careful. You don't want to hurt yourself on your own vacation. Oh, beautiful. Is there no way in?
Is this it? Where's the deal on the front? The window.
I don't think this is the way we're supposed to go. It has to be this way.
That's the bridge.
Yeah, we're in the onsen now. This is the graphic nudity part. Oh, here's a little shrine over there. Yeah. Providing a great view for us all. It's the end of the night, and we just finished at the onsen. That was that was a big dinner.
Yeah.
Big peepees.
Yeah.
Big dinners with big peepees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huge peepees, some might even say.
Who had the biggest, Daniel?
I'll leave that to your imagination, viewers.
The viewer.
Here, right now. Take your vote.
And we're just wrapping up with some drinks. We're only spending one night in the ryokan, but this place is really great. You get what you pay for, Kevin. And then your bank account has definitely been paying for it. Alright, cheers. End of the night.
Konbe!
Konbe.
What are we talking